Hello, aspiring executive assistant or aspiring virtual executive assistant or admin professional or those that are other professional that would like to shift as a virtual admin executive assistant or virtual executive assistant. I'm Anita Kasur, your executive assistant, and I'm here to give you tip number 26. This is one of requested since I've already provided. Nagbigay na rin ako ng mga list na kung saan kayo po pwedeng mag-apply as your virtual assistant. So I'll be giving you the other part of this, which is tip number 26. Ito yun, naglista ako dito ng mga like remote. Ito, listen very carefully. Our tip number 26. So, ito yung mga website na pwede ninyong puntahan upang sa ganun, mas marami kayo or options na maaari kayong mag-apply as virtual executive assistant or virtual assistant. Okay? So, are you ready? So, I listed some of the website that are like remote workmate. Ayan. Nilist ko dito, OVA Virtual. So, ang website nila is ovavirtual.com. Yung remote workmate is remoteworkmate.com/show. So, usource. So, usource.me. So, meron ditong Support Ninja. The website is supportninja.com. Cyberbacker, which is they have a lot of advertisements, online ads. Cyberbackercareer.com, careers.com. Athena Executive Assistant. So the website is www.athena.com. Then I have here VA Hub, so the vahub.org. So Outsourcing Angel. The website is outsourcingangel.com. And then Virtual Employee, virtualemployee.com. Then Multiply Me, the website is multiplyme.com. Then Outsource Access, the website is outsourceaccess.com. And then Virtual Teammate, it's virtualteammate.com. virtualteammate.com. Hello Rush, it's hellorush.com /work-with-us. So I'll repeat, Hello Rush, it's hellorush.com /work /work-with-us. And then Bottleneck Virtual Assistant, it's bottleneck.online. It's Bottleneck Virtual Assistants. It's the website is bottleneck.online. And 7 Virtual Assistant Services, the website is 7virtualassistantservices.com. 7 Virtual Assistant Services, the website is 7virtualassistantservices.com. Then Virtual Assistant Talent, the website is virtualassistanttalent.com. And the website again, virtualassistanttalent.com. And then last but not the least, it's free app. The website is freeapp.net. So that's it. And maybe the other one will be sharing on my next video. And this is Anita Kasur, your executive assistant. So that's tip number 26. For those that are not yet subscriber, please subscribe, heart, comment down below, and follow for more videos, tips from your executive assistant expert. Bye!